comets are, we refer to them as dirty snowballs. So they're a mix of rock and ice. Christopher Palma, I'm a teaching professor in the Department of Astronomy and Astrophysics at Penn State University. So there's this very interesting comet right now that's called 3I Atlas. The name Atlas in this case is the name of a monitoring telescope that's funded by NASA that is looking for objects that could be potentially hazardous to Earth. And by the way, they accidentally discover comets all the time. Picture someone able to like slice a rocky mountain off of Earth and then just put it in space. Like they really do look like a cliffside with a rock fall, but they're covered in like fine ice as well. So if you take this thing and you move it close to the sun, that ice is going to heat up. And so the ice particles will start to drift off away from the original comet object, and it creates a tail. But this one, 3I Atlas, is really interesting. It's what's called an interstellar comet. That means it actually came to our solar system from another star system. So this comet was not born around the sun. It was born elsewhere. It's been drifting through space on its own, and it just randomly encountered the solar system. And so it's on what's called a hyperbolic orbit. It's going to pass, it already passed by the sun, and then it's just going to keep going, never to come back again, heading back out into interstellar space. So when we discover these objects, you know, we have these ideas for how did our solar system form? How did Earth form? How did Jupiter form? How did all the asteroids and comets that are orbiting the sun form? And we think that process is the same everywhere, but we can only be certain of that if we can test it. And we can't go to another star system and grab a comet. They're so small that you can't see them at any distance away. So these 3 interstellar comets have given us the opportunity to study comets that were born elsewhere to test our ideas for, are we right about how planets form and how comets form? A lot of people have pointed telescopes at this. The telescopes show in every way that this is a normal comet, but there are some voices out there that persist in saying it's aliens. So I'm here to tell you it's not aliens.